Hello everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda, your virtual piano teacher. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch the introduction video of this channel. I'm leaving the link in the description of this video, where you will find also the link for my artistic channel, Gianluca Fronda, pianist and composer, if you're interested in original music and covers. Talking about this channel, don't forget to subscribe and let me know about yourself by commenting. Tell me when you have started, if you're finding my channel interesting and you're improving your skills also thanks to my videos. And don't forget also to share with your friends if there is anybody interested in piano music, anybody that you know. So now time to go to our lesson. Today it's time to talk about the cakewalk. It's a duet for teacher and pupil. So the primo is the one on page 27, is the one for the student, and this one is for me, for the teacher, okay? We are talking about the John Thompson's Easiest Piano Course, Part 3. This is maybe a little bit more relaxing piece, coming from the tribal dance on page 24 and 25 that was quite stressful for many reasons, I understand. Now it's, I might say it's a single-hand song, because there is except in the last bar, you have never hands together passages. I will play as usual, first of all fast and then slow, but then I will also play my part to let you play along with as soon as you are ready to play at my speed, okay? So let's start from the fast performance of your part of the primo on page 27. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... I know that is a little bit too fast, but it was just to let you feel the high energy of the piece. It's obviously time to explain a few things. As you can see, there is an interesting explanation. It says, in this example, the syncopation occurs on the last half of the first beat in most bars. Be sure to apply vigorous accents throughout. Now, what does it mean? Do you see that there is a tie connecting the second quaver to the third quaver of this block of 4? It's obvious that you are here on the end of 1 and this is the 2. So you are finally discovering that the syncopation can occur indeed also in between the counts, and this is quite interesting. It's quite exciting, this case. Is here, is here, is here, here, again, obviously imitation of the main theme, and again here, again here. Here is a little bit more typical, this one, usual, because it starts on the second count and ends at the beginning of the third count. So you have to really be careful to stress pretty much the D in this case, the B in these, to let finally feel that the accent that should be on the second count has been anticipated on the second half of the first count. Now indeed it's definitely clever to play it slowly. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. I hope it was slow enough to let you see how things move in this piece. Mind the dynamics as much as you can. Mind this crescendo and diminuendo. I know that is almost impossible to reproduce on our pianos. If you have a grand piano, maybe it's definitely easier, but not that easy here. I don't know if you could perceive the raise here and even more here, because I know that the microphone of the camera is quite powerful, and when I listen again, when I watch again the videos, I notice that the dynamics at the other side are not that clear, you know, maybe to you. Anyways, now it obviously makes sense playing the Secondo, the one on page 26 is my accompaniment. I will try to play at a moderate speed. I will be counting loud, in this way you can understand how to play with me. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 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 and 2 and 3 and 4 It's obvious that you don't have to worry about what I do, so play along when you are ready, just when you're ready, okay? At this stage, I believe that you are ready to study this piece by yourself without any extra explanation. I don't think that I need to clarify again the notes that you have to play, anything else. I've already, I think, explained pretty much about the big news of this piece. But it's obvious that in case you have any question, in case you need any explanation, feel free as usual to comment, to let me know, and I will be happy to help if I can. In case you're landing on this channel for the first time thanks to this video, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.